Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you UnitedHealthcare versus Aetna. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So when you're looking at UnitedHealthcare and Aetna here, you are looking at two absolutely biggest titans in the health insurance world. Now, because both companies have scaled back their footprints slightly to focus on profitability here, picking the right one isn't about finding a universally better carrier here. Instead, it comes down to matching your specific zip code, your favorite doctors, and your monthly prescription to the right ecosystem. Now, let's look at first United Healthcare. Now, because the biggest superpower is the sheer unmatched scale. Now, they boast a massive national network of over 1.3 million providers and nearly 6,700 hospitals, which makes them the gold standard if you live in a rural area, travel frequently across state lines here, or have a niche specialist you need to keep seeing. Now, their digital experience is also highly advanced here, featuring a top-tier mobile app, integrated home prescription delivery through Optum. However, that premium network comes with a premium price tag as well. So their marketplace plan premiums are a premium trend slightly higher than the national average here, so you also have to keep an eye on the fine print with them. So in this case, United Healthcare was notoriously strict, or has a notoriously strict claims approval process, with denial rates hovering around 24 to 26% on some of their individual marketplace plans. Now, next is what we are talking about here is Aetna. So Aetna here takes a completely different approach. So ecosystem-driven approach, because they are owned by CVS Health. So if you love the convenience of walking to a local CVS, using their minute clinics, or visiting a health hub for quick local care, well, Aetna here is almost impossible to beat. Now, because of this massive pharmacy integration, they can often offer lower monthly premiums and highly competitive prescription pricing compared to United Healthcare. Now, their customer service and overall satisfaction ratings also trend to score slightly higher across the board here. So the main trade-off with Aetna is that their doctor network, while still incredibly large, tend to be heavily concentrated in urban centers and the eastern half of the United States. So if you live in a remote area or rely on specific independent clinic here, you might find their network options a bit more restrictive. Now, ultimately, choosing or deciding which one is better for you comes down for a quick two-step math problem. Now, first, pull up your non-negotiable list of doctors and hospitals and run them through both provider directories here. Now, because an insurance plan is only as good as the doctors who actually accept it. Now, second, you may want to check your family's regular prescription list against their tier formularies to see which tier your medication fall under. Now, if you want maximum national freedom and flawless mobile app, go with United Healthcare. But if you want to save a bit on the premiums and heavily utilize CVS pharmacies and local walk-in clinics, well, in this case, Aetna here is going to be your winner. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.